mines. You should last a month before irradiation deterts your body. However,
So that radiation. So a month before the radiation
deteriorates your body.
Mhm.
However, soon I will have 6 billion more slaves from your planet, so all of you are expendable. Take them away to the mines, yelled Slate, as he gave Dr. Ralph a final wicked grin. The raptors...
Now can you repeat after me? Okay. So the raptor directed Dr. Ralph and George down another tunnel.
The raptors directed Dr. Ralph and George down another tunnel.
They were led into what seemed like a huge holding cell.
There
were thousands of prisoners, yet none of them resisted when only a few raptors entered the prison.
There were thousands of prisoners, yet none of them resisted when only a few raptors entered the prison.
Okay, can you continue reading?
Dr. Ralph felt that this group could have easily overpowered those few guards. Once the weapons left, once the raptors left, he asked a group of prisoners why they hadn't resisted a small number of guards. One of them pulled up his pant leg. There was an ankle bracelet just above his shoe. If we resist receive a shock of 1,000 volts, said one of the prisoners. Many of the prisoners have